Pink Poodle Crafts, join the Poodle Pack. It's time to get creative and make you laugh. Make your own art today. Pink Poodle Crafts is the way.
What a good boy. Hey crafty family, it's me. And today I've got a quick video to show you a couple of Happy Mails that I got. The first one is a Happy Mail that I actually purchased from Miss Belinda. Belinda had a journal for sale, and all I did was open the box, but I haven't. Oh, I think something fell off of it, but that's all right. I can fix it. It's okay. She had a journal for sale. I thought it was really pretty, and so this is it. Let's see if I can get it open. It says me. Look how pretty. I gotta fix the lace. The lace got crinkled. Isn't that pretty? I'm not sure where this came from, but I'm assuming that this was probably here because there's nothing there. So I think it fell off of there, so I'll have to fix that and put that back on. What I'll do is I will put this back on, and I'm going to put a little clip on there and try to clip it on. Well, I don't know if it'll reach all the way through. That's probably why it fell off, maybe because it's, I'll find a way to put it back on, but it's a little tassel and it has charms on it. It's really cute blue and white journal. Very pretty, and it's got like a bunch of little charms on the all around it here. It's got applique, and it's got this little pitcher, like a little ceramic pitcher, and little cups, and oh, a little plate. Isn't that cute? How adorable is that? And then there is another little charm with beads. And it's got these little teacups. It's like a, I guess a tea journal maybe. I don't really know. Look how pretty. Oh look, and then there's charms in here. This is beautiful. Isn't this pretty? Oh my goodness, there's lots of tags. Look, cute little chicken tag. It's in this pocket. There's like a tuck spot here. And then there is another tag here. How cute. Very cute. Beautiful. Very beautiful. She did a really nice job on this journal. Another one. Is that open or anything? No. Okay. For some reason I thought I saw it moving. I thought it was open. Very cute. And it has a little cameo charm. And then we have a cute little bird that was either printed or don't know on there. It might have been printed. It's very pale. It's very light, so I didn't know if it was printed or not. And then it's got a little mat here to put things on. And then this page here comes out like this. Does this do something, or that's just pockets? Okay, it's pockets on either side. And then it's got another, I think these are printed. Very cute. I love all the little tags. I love the paper. I just thought this was so pretty. And when I asked her if it was for sale, she said yes. I said, and I asked her how much and all that, and I said, okay, I'll take it because I really, really liked it, and I thought it was really pretty, and I saw that she looks like she put a lot of hard work into it, and I wanted to support her for that because it was just so pretty. This little white tag, and this she stitched around here. How cute. Did I just pull that out like this? Yeah, I think so. And it has a pocket there, and then it opens here. Oh, look, cute. And she put like stitched in a little notebook, and the pages are stitched. And then it's got another tag, a little tuck spot. Another tag. Very pretty. Another page, a tag. Very cute. This is so cute. And then we've got some blank pages, so they're tea-dyed. Lots of tea-dyed papers to write on or whatever. And then this opens this way, has some more pockets. And there's this one, which has some more pockets, very cute. Some more pages, very cute. And then some more little folded pocket. This is so cute. And there's this little tag, which is in a little tag pocket. That's really cute. I like that. Very cute. Adorable. Some more wonderful coffee dyed pages or tea dyed, whichever. Very pretty. And then another pocket in the back. And then there is what seems to be a little pocket that you just, that's the closure for the pocket. It's a pocket, and then you can just close it by doing that number there. Figure-8ing around that. If I can get it, because I'm not coordinated anymore. And then there's this little turtle charm, another ceramic charm. And then back here there's, ooh, I like this. What did she do? Oh, I see. So she made it look like, it almost looks like ceramic. That's cool. On clay? Yeah, that's got to be clay. That's really cool. It came out really good. And then there's another pocket here. I'm not going to undo the whole thing. And then the little plates and cup charms. So cute. I love this. So I'm very excited to have this beautiful journal. Thank you so much, Miss Belinda. This is so pretty. And there's lots of room for it to grow or to do something with. Very pretty. Very pretty. I just thought it was adorable. I just was like, yeah, I want that journal. I just thought it was so pretty with all the lace and the white and the blue. I don't have any journals like this. I want to put it on my journal shelf when I get that situated in my other room. So thank you, Miss Belinda. Very pretty. Now I'm going to make sure to put that back on there. Very pretty. I love it very much. It's beautiful. And then I got a happy mail from Miss Susan. I'll put that over there. Let me get a sip of my tea, please. Okay, so Miss Susan Cord sent me a package of, oh, did I not open it good enough? I don't think I did. I don't want to put it up here because I don't want her address. I thought I had razor bladed the tape around all the way. I guess I didn't. Okay, so, ooh, so pretty. So pretty. And of course she says, oh, I'm going to send you this. You can use it for kits for your auction or whatever. And I was like, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know if it'll make it to kits in the auction. I'm sure some of it will, but it's just so pretty. This matches my living room a lot. This is really pretty. Look at this. Damn. These are like paisleys. And, oh, wow. This is so pretty. Man, I could make curtains out of these. That would be so pretty for my living room. But I don't think it's big enough, but I could do something with it. But I might save it for some kits. There's a good amount here. This is really pretty. Oh, wow. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Susan. This is so pretty. Now that I've unfolded it and made a mess out of it. There we go. It's folded back. Very pretty. Oh, my goodness. This scarf into ribbons. Lengthwise or widthwise? Cut this scarf into ribbons, lengthwise or widthwise. Oh, let me see. That's what she said on her note. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, I see what she means. Yeah. It can be cut so that the sequin pieces are left out. Or it can just stay like this and just be pretty. That's gorgeous though. Isn't that pretty? That's really pretty. Wow. Yeah, it could be cut in between these here, so that these are all separate sequin strips, trim strips. That's really pretty. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Susan. This is beautiful. So pretty. And I'll put that back in here because it's got sequins on it, so better to stay in there so it doesn't get snagged on something. Oh, look at this. Look at that trim. Isn't that pretty? Wow, that's pretty. Pretty. Very pretty. Oh my goodness. I really appreciate you sending this to me. This is beautiful. Oh, look at this one. Oh, if I can get it not. It's a little stuck on here. Hold on. Okay. There's a piece of tape on the end of it, and it decided to get a little stuck. Okay. This is really pretty. Look at that. This little tassel trim. Very pretty. Thank you. This is so pretty. Very pretty. Ooh, and another one. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. Gorgeous. And then, ooh, look at this lace. Ooh, that's fancy lace. Very pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous. That's pretty too. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then there is some more sari trim in here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Very beautiful. And she gave me several pieces. So yeah, those can be put into kits for sure. That's good size for that. Good size for that, for sure. And there's this piece here, which is really pretty. These little things. This looks like it was, I don't know whether it was a sari or it was a curtain of some sort because of this wide bottom, but I don't know. But yeah, you could literally cut these out off of the sheer fabric and use them as appliques. Beautiful. Very beautiful. That's so pretty. Yeah, so that might be good for cutting some of them out for kits and stuff as well. Beautiful. Yeah, because I need to put some boho kits together, but I also need to get some more boho fabrics and stuff. And besides these, get some of my regular ones and put together like a mishmash of some silk fabrics. And then these are more like trims and appliques, but that is so pretty. And that's like beaded little vines with the little berries on it. Oh, that's so pretty. Gorgeous. And then here's some more green with gold. Very pretty. That's so pretty. And then here's another one. This must have been part of something, an outfit or something. It has like the neckline maybe. Must have been a shirt or a dress or something. Beautiful. Beautimous. And then, oh, this is a big piece. I'm not going to unravel it, but, oh, that's good. So there's a big piece there that I can use and cut up of fabric. Very pretty. It's like a purpley color. It looks more pink on camera, but it's actually more purpley. It's kind of got that color shift in a sense, but there's a lot of it here. So that's cool. Very cool. Oh, and there's this piece. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this must have been the, was this the thing that she had that she said was the sleeves or something of something? I think. I don't know which one was, but then there's this piece of fabric. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I could probably make a couple of little kits out of this, and then a couple of yep, I can speak today. Remnants of fabric that I have left over until I get some more. But this has butterflies on it. It's very cute. And it's like a corally pink color. It's kind of like pink and coral. with gold. Very pretty. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Susan. I really appreciate it. Very much so. So if I get time to put together a kit or two for this auction coming up, I will do that. But I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it for this auction or the next auction. But either way, you will likely see some of this in a boho kit type of thing. So thank you so much, Miss Susan, and thank you, Miss Belinda, for making such a beautiful journal that I could have gotten my little hands on and purchased off of you. And yeah, I think this is awesome, and thank you so much. And don't forget, I am having I'm having an auction on Sunday, which is the 28th of July. So if you are interested, I will have all kinds of things going on, some kits and hopefully some boho stuff. So hopefully I will see you there. It'll be at 4:30 p.m. Central Time. So yeah, have a great day, everybody. Thanks for checking this out, this little happy mail. And I will see you for Mixed Media Mashup tomorrow night. Yeah, have a great day. Poodle Pack out.